questions that we get here at Ahhsome is, why don't we see hydrochlorous acid on the shelves at the store? And the reason is because it's not shelf stable. It does not hold up its charge because it's got an electrical charge that's applied to it for more than 30 days. So in order for us to be able to provide hydrochlorous acid here at Ahhsome on a consistent basis, we needed to buy this nifty piece of equipment. And I want to just show you how we make our hydrochlorous acid, and then so that you can maybe get one of these and make it in your own home. If you go onto Amazon or Walmart.com or any of those, you'll be able to find a hydrochlorous acid making kit, basically. And that's all this is. So what I've done is I've put warm water in here up to the max fill line. We just take this, fill it up. Actually, I just run it into the sink, but you know. And then we at Ahhsome actually use our pharmaceutical-grade salt that we use in our halo cabins to make our hydrochlorous acid. What we learned was we actually get a stronger solution by doing that. So you'll have to kind of play with it at home, but I just keep a little bit of that salt in this cup, and then I pour it into here. I just stir, stir, stir while I pour it in to make sure that all of the salt dissolves. Now, our salt is really, really, really powdery, so it dissolves really easily and really quickly. So stir that in, break that up, and then I have to do a second scoop. Bloop, bloop, bloop. Pour that in. Stir, stir, stir. And then this little device has 3 settings: a low, medium, and high. Now what we found with the high, we really like the high because, man, you can smell that it's clean. But because of the amount of cleaning that we do here at Ahhsome, we only use the high level for our bathrooms. If we started out using it on everything, and it was so overpowering that it was making us nauseous and headaches and that kind of thing. Not that it was bad for us, it just had a very strong kind of a chlorine smell to it. So we use it on level 1 for like the cleaner that you will use on the equipment, for surfaces. It kills COVID. It's just not as pungent. So now that I've stirred all that up in this nifty pitcher, I'm going to press the level 1 button. It's going to do its magic for a few minutes, and then I'll have you come back when we're done with it. So I don't know if you can see it, but there's all these little tiny bubbles that are coming up from the bottom. So that's the magic right there. Okay, so it's been 5 minutes and our cleaner is done. And it's kind of this miraculous thing because you wouldn't think it would be that effective or that strong. It's salt and water and electricity. But I have a friend here, Rosemary. This is my daughter, Rosemary. And I want you, Bean, I want you to smell this and tell me what it smells like.
To me, it smells like pool water.
It smells like a pool, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So, all right, thank you, baby.
Yes.
So that is it. That's all it takes. It's inexpensive. It's something you can easily do in your own home and produce to help keep your family healthy and strong and COVID-free, and also really inexpensive cleaner, so it'll save you a little bit of money. But we hope that this helps you know a little bit more about what we do here at Ahhsome to keep everybody healthy and safe. And hopefully it helps you stay healthy and safe at home too. Thanks. Have an awesome day.